Most people think aging is what makes joints stiff, the body achy, and circulation slow. But what if I told you? It's not aging, it's chronic inflammation, and it silently speeds up how fast your body breaks down. Today, I'll show you why joint stiffness and circulation problems often appear together, and a simple daily habit that may help calm inflammation and support long-term mobility. Stay with me. This might change how you think about aging. When inflammation stays slightly elevated day after day, it doesn't just cause pain. It stiffens blood vessels, irritates connective tissue, reduces tissue flexibility, slows circulation efficiency. That's why people often experience joint stiffness, morning aches, tight muscles, cold hands, and feet, reduced mobility, all at the same time. This isn't coincidence. It's biology. Inflammatory signaling affects both connective tissue and the lining of blood vessels, known as the endothelium. When the endothelium becomes irritated, vessels lose flexibility, and when connective tissues stay inflamed, joints feel tight and uncomfortable. This doesn't happen overnight. It builds slowly from highly processed foods, chronic stress, poor sleep, sedentary lifestyle, excess sugar intake. Over time, the body shifts from repair mode into low-grade inflammatory mode, and that's when people start saying, "I feel older than I should." The goal isn't chasing quick fixes, it's lowering your daily inflammatory load. One simple habit many people tolerate well is a small food-based daily shot designed to gently support anti-inflammatory pathways. Daily inflammation calming shot. 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil. A pinch of turmeric powder. Start with a pinch. If tolerated well, you may slowly increase to about 1/4 teaspoon. This is not a high dose and not a replacement for medication. Think of it as a daily physiological signal, not a quick fix. Why it works. Extra virgin olive oil contains polyphenols that support healthy endothelial function, helping blood vessels stay flexible and responsive. Turmeric contains curcumin, known to help calm inflammatory signaling pathways linked to joint stiffness and tissue irritation. Turmeric is fat-soluble, meaning it absorbs better when taken with healthy fats like olive oil. That's why this combination works synergistically. Take it in the morning with or right before your first meal. Taking it with food. Check, reduces stomach irritation. Check, improves absorption. Check, supports digestive tolerance. If you skip breakfast, take it with your first meal of the day. Consistency matters more than timing perfection. This isn't an overnight cure, but over time, calming daily inflammation may support smoother movement, better circulation, improved joint comfort, healthier aging. The goal is long-term resilience, not temporary relief. If you found this helpful, comment inflammation, and I'll share more science-based habits that support healthy aging. And subscribe for simple, evidence-based health tips that help your body move, feel, and function better over time. Your future mobility depends on what you do daily.